Sawubona.
Sanibonani njani?
Yeah, what's up there?
Yep.
Yeah, based on the questions lawa engangunikeze wona, uqala ngebhayo yakho and then njengoba besenza nje uyazi-ke uyalazi udaba. So after that ngizobuza nje la engizobuza khona, but I won't be asking you then and then and then. You will just share into yakho, and then wherever I need to emphasize, I will emphasize, ne? Okay, qala-ke sis.
Igama lami nguthandazile wakamdletshe. Ngathola i-nickname la ekhaya ngabizwa ngoPrayer. Uthandazile uyintombazane esuka kaNongoma, ngize ngisho iminyaka. Uthandazile wants to be a conductor, but ngesikhathi efika la eNdonsa uthisha mfica wamenza wangayilimiter. Ngathi ngifika la ngayibona sengiwucomposer, ngayibona sengifundisa abanye abantu ucula, ngayibona futhi ngiconductor ngisho i-orchestra. That's how I saw myself ngesikhathi ngifika eNdonsa. Okay, there are things ke ngiyi-achievile ngesikhathi ngifika la. In my whole entire life bengicula soprano, but mangifika la after a mini interview engayenza noThisha wangidiscover as an alto singer, and ngak-understand ukuthi why athi ngiyi-alto singer, because mangicula soprano ngakusasa izwi lami belisha, but since ngicule alto angaze ngihlangabezane naleyo nkinga and ave ngiba flexible ngiba relax mangicule alto. Okay, ezinye izinto engi-achievile, music business bengiqala ukuzwa ngento ekuthiwa khona i-music business. I understand ukuthi uThisha wayebesifundisa nge-music business. Uma umculi, there are things ekumele uzenze ungarojwa abantu nangama-companies uma umculi. Okunye engi-achievile ukuthola ama-scales. Mina bengiwu-conductor before, so uma sithola ama-scores besingazi nokuthi uqala kuphi, besilinda kuze kufike i-workshop. Uthola ukuthi ama-workshop la eZululand siba nawo kuleli viki, ama-competitions next week. Sekunzima vele ubuyele ey'nganeni uyolungisa amaphutha owenzile. So uThisha ungifundise ukuthola ama-scales, sengiyakwazi ukudlala ama-scales, ngafunda ne-basic kuyi-piano. Okunye ngifunde nokuthi-ke kusethwa ama-events. Bengazi ukusetha i-event, bengazi ukuthi nje bayakulungiselela ngene stage ucula uphume. Okunye
Ulungiselela ubani?
okunye ngokwama-events, o-dress rehearsal, izinto bengazazi lezo zinto mina. Ngazi ukuthi nje ungene stage ucule uphume. And then different genres, mina ngifike la ngiyi-choral. Yes, ngisayiyona, but indlela engifundiswe ngayo, I just fell in love with amanye ama-genres as much as ngistike kuyi-choral. And okunye ngikufundile ukubhala umculo. I've never seen myself ngibhala umculo as much as okwami kuhlukile kunokwabanye, and ngesikhathi ngifika la I was so worried ukuthi hayibo lezi ngane zicula ingoma ekanje uThisha mina uzongenzani ngicula i-choral. Mina wami umculo ufana nabo Sibongile Khumalo kanje. And then information engiyitholele la ekhaya sengakwazi ukuphuma ngihambe ngingaphandle ngifundisa abantu umculo, ngenza ama-workshops. Yeah. And then ama-goals ami ukuthi mangiphuma la ngibe ne-center la ngizofundisa khona iy'ngane, yethi ngizokukhetha iy'ngane nabantu mhlambe abaqeda u-grade 12 bangakhona ke-universities ukubafundisa umculo. Many instruments, keyboard, ama-violins, mhlambe nama-recorders. Okunye ngifuna uku-improve ekubhaleni ngibe u-composer.
Okay.
But composing ingoma zaka-choral. Okunye that I wanna improve khona i-oral training, because uma usebenza ngendaba zamakhwaya, ikhwaya yakho kumele i-blend, so kumele ngifunde ukubalalela ngizwe ukuthi are they blending well together. Okunye ngithanda ukufunda u-improvise when singing. Nok-overcome kama-fears, say usuyilwile-ke into yami. Ukuba se-stage nje ngiyakusaba, and I so wish ukuthi nginganikezwa lelo just to improve no-overcome ama-nerves, nikezwa that one chance ngibe se-stage and just perform. Okunye that I really need to improve vocal training.
Okay. So, Shalizandra, so this is what we are looking for. The interview that we are looking for is just this straightforward talker. Besides me even asking questions, so into afuna uzi-achieve kahle kahle vocal training lo muntu lona ufike vele la ewu-conductor but there are certain things ngoba esho ebengakhona ukuzenza kodwa manje siyazenza set for like full score thola ama-keys yabo. She also wanna become a teacher yabo. Possibilities vele ukuthi kulula ukuvula isikole sakho even egarage like usasivula isikole sakho ayifuna ayikho ozokulwisa ufundisa ingane zethu you are doing the right thing yabo because now we are giving it back to the community as well yabo. Siyabashayela izandla.